Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up and I told myself, let me do for you guys for a house tour. As you know, I shifted to another house, so baby when was scrolling, so I needed a bigger space. Karibuni. Oh sorry. Okay. So this is the first door. It has two doors. First door, second door. For security purposes, when ghetto people. I'm bored. Wait, so karibuni. So as you can see, this is how you enter. You close this door, then this is the door now. So this is the main entrance. When you walk like this, it gets this sofa, this sofa. So this sofa, I bought it. You saw it on my last house tour. I bought it when I was pregnant. And if you've seen the other house tour, I didn't have any sofa. It's cheap, so I can afford that. Then this sofa came with this curtain. So this house is kind of a box. So that is how we have arranged it, like this, like three-seater. Then guys, so wait. I am the lady boss. So guys, as you know, this TV, you saw it on my last house tour. It was just there. I bought it before the sofa. And wait, I have a surprise for you guys. So I bought this carpet. The other carpet, baby Wayne could not crawl in it. This carpet is so fancy. So wait, let me show you that it's fancy. You can sleep in it. Actually, it's so fancy. You can't tell it if it's fancy. I'm staying in a kind of, it's not a very modern house. Ni nyumba za kitambo. But if you're in a very modern house, you could tell, it could make your house look Oh, let me tell you about this house. I love this house for Juliana. It came with this rod. So beautiful. The rod for the curtain. Then, so basically this is the sitting room. Then I bought this where is it at? I bought it at night. It was so late at night. I love some youngsters, some youths, they were selling it, so it was cheap, and they were saying they were hungry, so I said let me take it. So I bought it kwa ajili. I said it's classy. I can wear this for my man one day, and I with a glass of wine, hope so one day. So and this is the door. So this one in the ile side ingine. So so this is how we go to the kitchen. This is the door that connects to the kitchen, bedroom, and the bathroom and the toilet. So there's a corridor here. Here. So let me show you first. You see the corridor? Let me show you first the bedroom. Shh. The baby is sleeping. So guys, the baby is sleeping. I'm so sorry about that. Wait. This is my bedroom. I'm so sorry, the baby is sleeping. So this is the bed. You saw it on my last vlog. That is baby Wayne sleeping. And this is the extra mattress, as you know guys. It's one bedroom, so we have to have an extra mattress for me and everyone to sleep in our geni. And you see the way this wardrobe is small. The wardrobe is so small, but at least it has big these cupboards. Alafu, now there's a table. Now this is where I put most of the baby Wayne's clothes. I'm so sorry guys, I was planning to buy what's the portable wardrobe. Hiyo kenye nakonga 2000. I'll buy it when I get money. Alafu, now this is the table. Don't look at these makeups. So hard to do cleaning. I'll do a cleaning video one day for you guys, but basically this is the room and that is the net. I think so it's just enough for me for So guys, as you leave the bedroom, this is the sink. This is where I brush my teeth. And it has just this, and this is baby Wayne's bucket. This hookah, I'll hang some towel there one time. So as you leave the bedroom, you come to the toilet. Guys, that is the toilet, as you can see. Nothing inside, just regular toilet. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, that is the bathroom. It has separate bathroom and toilet. You know the last house, you know, the conjuring. Inakwanga mbili. Last time it was just a bathroom and everything was there. So right now, where Wayne can crawl, come to my kitchen. So guys, so this is the kitchen. This fridge, so this is the fridge. So guys, we're in the kitchen, but I don't like cooking. So you know the main reason again why I like this house is because look at the kitchen. Last time, you know guys, I was in a bed sitter. I don't care if you think it is me, I don't care. So look at the house. We have a big kitchen. So this is the fridge, this is the cooker, this is where we do, this is where we do everything. You see, it has this wardrobe, you know. I love the wardrobe, so it's not shopping. I don't have many plates, and it has many more wardrobe, and it's so spacious. So I'm planning to put here like something like a big table where I can arrange my spices, or I don't know, we'll see about that. So yeah, so this is basically the kitchen. You've seen the kitchen. No, guys, I have a laundry area. Okay, last time I had a balcony. Okay, one disadvantage, I don't have a balcony, but I have a balcony laundry area. So it is here. You can come look at it. So this is where I do my laundry, you see. So this is where so this is the laundry. This is the drum I keep water for emergency. This is so this is the way I do my laundry, and I love it because it has, you can pour water and it goes away. Let's wrap the video. Guys, it's a wrap up. So my neighbors as well. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi.
Okay, so guys, it's a wrap up for me. Thank you for watching. I appreciate everyone who will like this video and subscribe. So guys, see you next time. Cheers.